guys, welcome to the midweek vlog with me Astha. If you are my subscriber, thank you very much. But if you are new, please do consider subscribing. So this vlog is completely impromptu. I didn't plan on this initially, but कल रात को मैं ऐसी बैठी थी and I thought it would be a great idea to just do a vlog like a day in my life. And so here I am doing a vlog. So अभी थोड़ी देर पहले मैं सोकर उठी हूँ and I have my chai with me. I'm sitting in my balcony right now. The weather is quite good today actually. कल रात को अचानक से ओले होते हैं ना, ओले वो गिरे. It was quite surprising because शाम को हम स्ट्रोल के लिए गए थे. कोई भी मौसम नहीं था बारिश का या कैसे भी, एंड सडनली रात को एकदम से गड़गड़ यू नो. और बालकनी में भी आ गए थे हमारे, एंड मेरी डॉटर को पहली बार दिखाया. शी वाज रियली हैप्पी. बहुत खेला उसने. इनफैक्ट फॉर मी ऑल्सो आई थिंक बचपन में हम लोग बहुत खेला करते थे ओले जब देते थे तो, बट आफ्टर मैनी ईयर्स आई थिंक आज पहली बार कल देखा मैंने पहली बार. इट वॉज फन. इट वॉज लाइक विजिटिंग माई चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज अगैन. हम लोग कलेक्ट करते थे लाइक ओले पकड़ के. आपने किया है कभी? बहुत मज़ा आता है टू कलेक्ट देम एंड यू नो कटोरियों में करते थे हम. एनीवे सो वेदर बहुत अच्छा है आज, बट बहुत शोर है. आई थिंक आई होप इट्स नॉट टू नॉइजी फॉर यू ऑल बिकॉज आवर बालकनी इज़ रोड फेसिंग सो इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ नॉइज हियर. बट एनी वे आई थॉट फॉर अ चेंज आज बालकनी में चाय पीते हैं. मौसम अच्छा है. एंड बी अ गुड वे टू स्टार्ट माई डे. बाय द वे प्लीज़ मीट माई प्लांट्स, माई ब्यूटिफुल प्लांट्स. सम ऑफ दीज आर विथ मी फ्रॉम एटलीस्ट आई थिंक 3-4 years. So really trusty plants I have here. There's this song मेरे दिमाग में 2 दिन से घूम रहा है because जहाँ पर भी like online wherever I go, this is the song trending everywhere. अगर आपने भी सुना है तो बताना. हमजोदा अकबर, क्या कैसे कहें क्या है सितम. Oh my God, it's like everywhere और इतनी बार सुन लिया है that it's like on my mind all the time. But it's a nice song. So अभी जो मैं ये आराम से बैठी हुई दिख रही हूँ, ये सिर्फ 10 मिनट के लिए लास्ट करने वाला है बिकॉज इसके बाद मुझे भागना है, दौड़ना है. आई हैव टू फिनिश अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स बिकॉज आज फिर से हमें बाहर जाना है कहीं. वी हैव टू गो आउट विथ माई sister-in-law and my brother-in-law. कुछ कहीं जाना है उनके साथ. तो वी हैव टू लीव अराउंड 12:30. उसके पहले हमें ब्रेकफास्ट करना है, रेडी होना है. आर्या को रेडी करना है और उसे ब्रेकफास्ट खिलाना है. द टास्क. बाय द वे सम डेज विथ हर इन टर्म्स ऑफ फूड आर गुड, लाइक शी ईट्स एवरीथिंग हैप्पीली, बट सम डेज आर जस्ट प्योर स्ट्रगल. सीरियसली. #mom life. तो सबसे पहले ब्रेकफास्ट बना लेते हैं. आई एम मेकिंग ब्रेड ऑमलेट टुडे एंड फॉर आर्या आई एम गोना मेक banana pancakes. I get this ready mix from Slurp Farm, which has like multigrain pancake mix, no maida, nothing. So that's nice, and she likes it. So yeah, that for her. Then I will also be making something for lunch for Arya. To carry with us in case it gets late. She needs to eat in the car then. The onion was so nasty. My eyes are literally burning. 10 a.m. now. We are having our breakfast. Arya is still asleep. I'm gonna wake her up in a while because otherwise we're gonna get really late. Hi, baby. Good morning. Good morning. Hot है बेटा, hot है अभी. Ara is watching Mighty Little Beam on Netflix. It's really cute. Fufu. Very good. Aru क्या खा रहे हो बेबी? दे दो. This is Arya's lunch, aloo paratha. This is a banana that I packed for her in case she wants to eat in between. And this is her water bottle. She wants the banana now. Okay. This banana case or banana house is very handy when you want to take banana on the go, especially for kids. It's easy to put in a diaper bag and just take it. Racha, Ruka.
ओपन मम्मा ओपन
बेटा लंच है ना, वो बाद में ओपन करेंगे. दे दो मामा को.
मम्मा मम्मा मम्मा
And we have sanitizer, our water bottle, everything in this bag. Let me know if you want me to do a video on what's in my daughter's diaper bag. I can do it for you all. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of makeup, get ready, and then we just have to get out. This is Arya's hairband, by the way. So my face is already moisturized, so I'm gonna just start with the makeup. I'm not doing foundation. I'll just probably use a tinted powder, which is like a compact, and maybe a little bit of concealer. Yeah. So first I'm using this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer but under my eyes. I have some redness here. Use it here. I'm gonna use my ring finger. You can use a wet sponge also. I'm in a hurry. I'm just using my fingers and then I'll use my brush to blend it. Going over my eyelids just to even it out. Always use dabbing motion to blend your concealer. You don't want it to blend everywhere. You want it to concentrate on the spot where you put it. I don't like using foundation in summers because it's really hot and you get all sweaty and it's not good. So I usually just use powder, tinted powder for everyday use. So I guess this is blended pretty much. So now that is done, I'm just using my blending brush. This is actually a buffing brush. I use it for my foundation. I'm not gonna go here. I'm just gonna like even out the edges, blend it. So it doesn't look patchy because I'm not putting any foundation. So that's done. So I'm using this compact Fit Me by Maybelline. My shade is 220 natural beige. So this is a very good compact. It's affordable, but it gives a decent coverage when you're not using foundation. So I really like this. I've been using it for many years now. I'm gonna just dab it under my eyes to seal the concealer that I just put. And I'm using the same brush. For every day, I don't want to use a lot of brushes. And this brush is really good. It like blends really fast. I really like using it. I've got a decent coverage now with concealer and powder. So now I do like filling my eyebrows because once you do your base, your eyebrows kind of look very light and weird. So not to go crazy about it, just filling out the gaps and making it nicer. I'm using eyebrow palette by Bora Milano. I'm using this darker shade here. This light one is very brownish, so I don't use it. This is like a dark brown color. Just off the excess. I'm using an angle brush with it. I start from the middle because this is where I feel it needs the most coverage. And you never want to start here because then it looks very unnatural if you put a very dark color at the beginning here. So start somewhere here. Angled brush is really good to make a point in the end. And this is a thin one, you see? So it's really good. This brush is from Color Bar. The brush that I was using before for blending my concealer and powder, that was from Real Techniques. I'm gonna use the same brush to put the wax so that the color doesn't move everywhere and the eyebrows stay in place. And it takes away that powdery look from your eyebrows, which is good. So just lightly. So this wax actually settles. I like to go with a brush like this and just brush it lightly so that they're all in one direction and neat. Yeah. Yes, that's it for my brows. Next thing is kajal. I'm using Lakme Iconic. That's the only one that actually stays on my waterline. Nothing else stays. They just disappear. Next thing I'm using is this L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. I have it for some time now. It does a good job, except that like it's really thick and gooey. I don't know if you can see. So it can like clump up your eyelashes sometimes. Like if you already have like long and dense eyelashes, then can get a little clumsy. So just remove the excess as much as you can and start from the bottom. Sorry, my face is gonna look weird when I do this. Look up, wiggle and take it upwards. You see that, the clump? So that's my mascara done. So besides that it comes up sometimes, this mascara does a fairly good job and it's waterproof. Really gives volume to your lashes. So that's why I like it. So next thing I'm going to use is my favorite Lakme 925 Weightless Mousse Lip and Cheek Color. This is in the shade Blush Velvet, and I have been using it for at least 3 years. Like, I don't know how many times I've purchased it. I really like it. It's a really good product also for this price range. It has a nice applicator, and this is like a mauvey pinkish mauvey neutral nudish color, if you know what I mean, like a mauvey nude shade. So it's very good for everyday or office wear. I really like it. The best thing about this lipstick, I like it when you are doing everyday makeup or you are in a hurry, you can just use the same color and put it on your cheeks. It gives a very natural flush because it is a very light and natural color. It blends really well. It looks like your skin, like it looks like it's blushing from inside. I really like using it. Just use your hands and blend it. Very natural for daytime. So that's my makeup done. My hair is just not cooperating today, so it's just a mess. Bad hair day. But anyway, we're all ready and we're gonna get going now. By the way, if you saw this and this on my hands, that's because Arya put these temporary tattoos on my hands. This is what happens when you have a 2-year-old. Hi, Utkarsh.
How are you? Hi.
That's Priyansha, that's Utkarsh.
Hi.
Hi guys, we just came back. Arya is sleeping right now. She slept in the car. It was really late for her anyway. So we haven't had our lunch yet. We've ordered food. It's gonna come anytime now. Arya had so much fun today. She played in the park after like so long. Actually, it's very new for her because since she began walking, there was a lockdown, so she hasn't been to playgrounds and parks as much. So she really enjoys whenever she gets a time. So here the playground was relatively empty, so we took her there. She had so much fun. She was running around the whole society, and yeah, it was fun. We had our lunch. We're going down to the garden. Arya will learn to ride her bike there, and I will do my 30 minutes walk, which I've started doing very recently, like really recently, like yesterday. But I'm hoping to continue it. So yeah, let's go. Hi guys, so it's 6:40 right now. I'm gonna do my 30 minutes walk. It's almost dark here now, so I don't know if you can see properly or not. I also have Priyansha today with me, walking with me here. As you can see, there are a lot of people walking at this time in our society. A lot of kids playing and cycling all around. Almost everyone has started stepping out of their houses, I think nowadays, with necessary precautions, of course. So it's really nice to, walk around the society. This is a society temple, and Arya has to come here every day after she's done cycling. It's too cute. So I'm having my tea and I'm watching this show called Schitt's Creek on Netflix. I am on the last season. It has 6 seasons. Almost finishing it. It's really good. If you haven't watched, go check it out. Sure you'll like it. So after this, I don't know what to watch on Netflix. So if you have any suggestions for me, please write them in the comments. I want you guys to meet someone here. That's Priyesh, my husband.
Hi
And I've been
guys.
mentioning him all the time in my videos. So I basically forced Priyesh to come on the camera right now because he really didn't wanted to. It's not like he's camera shy or anything. He just didn't wanted to come in my videos. The voice you're hearing is Arya's. She's very excited to say, "Hey guys." Maybe one of the days I'll bring her on the camera and let her say it for me. So Priyesh has been doing a very good job at encouraging me to make videos on YouTube, and also for encouraging me to walk every day in the evenings. So he's basically forcing me to go every day, which is nice of him. So do you want to say anything now?
Guys, do like, share and subscribe our video. She's doing a wonderful job and working very hard for these.
Thank you. Okay guys, so I'm going to end this vlog now because there's nothing really much going on now. I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Till then, bye bye.
Bye.
I use this Movi pinkish nude Movi neutral week vlog, midweek vlog, my channel. Oh, welcome to Slurp Funk. Slurp